Hi, this is Rituja and welcome back to my another video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you that how to practice English alone. Yes, if you want to do English speaking practice alone, then how will you do that? Then I'll tell you some methods. If you do, then your English speaking practice will done. Okay, so watch this video till the end and let me know in the comments, do you like this video or not? Okay, so the first thing is you just need to talk. And what will you talk? I'll tell you. Look, we all dream, we all talk to ourselves. I'm a very talkative person, by the way, so I just self-talk. So like that kind of self-talk I do, and I just speak random things that today I did this, and tomorrow I'm going to make this kind of video. For that video, I'll have to go to this station. I'll have to go somewhere that looks good on camera, like that kind of things. It always happening in my mind. So I just translate all these things in English in my mind, and sometimes I talk also. Like right now also, I was thinking and I'm talking it too. So like both things is happening, right? So like this kind of practice you should do. So ऐसा आपको ना you have to do self talk like this, okay? And another method is, suppose you are in a kitchen and you are going to make a tea, then just say that I am going to take a cup and then I'll take a strainer and I will strain the tea. Like this kind of sentences you can speak. I know you can speak, but you are not speaking it. Then just ask yourself that why you are not speaking this. Okay, so like this kind of whatever we do, we should talk about that. If we are not able to make structure of that sentence, then we have phone, just Google it. Google करो, okay? It's easy. Then you will know कि हाँ, I am कि मैं चाय छान रहा हूँ, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? I will say that I am straining the tea, like that. If you know, then you will speak, right? So like this kind of practice you should do, because it helps so much. Talk to the camera. Like right now I'm just talking to the camera, okay? And here is the no one around me and I'm just talking to myself with the help of camera. Like this type of practice also you can do, okay? It is actually very easy. Here is a no one who is going to make you embarrassed. Here is a no one who is going to make you feel embarrassed. So it's actually a good thing. Like we can practice our English without fear. Like this person is looking me, that person is staring at me. Like we will not feel anything from it. So actually it is actually good method. Okay, so whenever you are alone, you are at somewhere, there is only you and your phone, then you can take your phone and just record yourself, and you can talk anything about your dreams. Mostly I talk about my dreams, not about my future, because I feel very good when I talk about my dreams, that I want to do this and I just want this and all. So like this kind of dreams I had. So I just talk to myself like, yeah, this is my dream and I'm going to do this, and tomorrow I'm going to make this kind of video. So for that I'll need this and all. So like yeah, I think so many about it, and like this I'm speaking right now in front of camera. So you should also do speaking practice with the help of camera, so that your confidence will also increase and you can speak publicly without fear. The third method is describe surrounding, like what is around you. Like right now I'm standing in front of window, like I'm next to window. Here is a window and where I just put on my phone and I'm standing here and I'm making video, I'm speaking about English, and the sunlight is coming through the window. Like this type of English I'm speaking. And what I'm speaking, then I'm just describing things around me, right? I'm just saying that what I can see and all that, what is come and goes, I'm just saying that. So it is basically like I'm describing, okay? So like this kind of it also helped me, because with the help of this method you will get to know that what should I say when I'm at home, what should I say when I'm traveling somewhere. So like you will know more words, okay? So actually it is good method. Whenever I go somewhere and I find that कि मुझे ये बोलना है, I want to speak this, then how I will speak it, because I don't know what is the exact word which I should use for that, right? So at that moment I do one thing, I just Google it. Yes, I just Google it, and then I got to know that yeah, this is a right word for this, and then I just make sentence. So whenever you stuck somewhere, then you have phone, bro. Just use your phone as your coaching partner, as your coaching teacher. Sorry. Okay, so like that, whenever you stuck somewhere, first of all you have phone. So phone का इस्तेमाल करो. We should use our phone. Okay. So phone helped me so much. I improved my English with the help of phone because I had no partner, I had no coaching teacher center and all. So I improved my English by myself, and I am my teacher and I am my student. So like I'm everything. The fourth thing is, which is very important, that is ask questions to yourself. Yes, like you should ask questions to yourself, then you will know that yeah, if I want to answer this question, then I can speak like this. Actually, I came to another place because there was someone cause of that. Okay, so back to the topic. Ask yourself questions as much as you can because it's really important. When you ask questions to yourself, then you will know that if someone asks me this question, then how I will reply that. Okay, so like this, it is actually good for interview and all. If you are going for an interview, then how you will reply the questions. So it actually helped me. And the fifth thing is ChatGPT. You have ChatGPT. Whenever you get stuck somewhere, just use your phone, use ChatGPT in that. It was actually very good. Like you don't have partner, you don't have any coaching teacher, then who is going to help you? Then ChatGPT is going to help you. Because in my journey, I used one thing so much, and that is ChatGPT. Whenever you're stuck somewhere, just go to the ChatGPT and ask questions to them. Then it will give you answer. Then you will got to know that yeah, this I can say and this I can't. Then I have to learn. Then I will ask ChatGPT again. Then explain me this. I didn't get this meaning. So explain me in simple Hindi so that you will got to know, and you can use that in your life. So it's actually a good matter. Then whenever you get stuck somewhere, go to the ChatGPT first. Okay, so guys, this was our today's video. If you like or not, let me know in the comment because your opinion is very important for me. According to your choice, then please let me know in the comment and what you would like to watch from me. Okay, so yeah, that is for today. See you in our next. Till then, bye.